Welcome back to Gamers Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix audio issues if your sound is not working on the Royal Match game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Royal Match game on your device. And if you have already started your match and you don't notice any sounds coming from your speakers, then the first thing that you will need to check is to see if sounds are enabled. Tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner and you will see the sound as well as the music icon. If both of these are disabled, then you will see a red line indicating a cross mark. Simply tap on these icons and now you should be able to hear the audio playback on your device. Also make sure that your media volume is turned up. If your media volume is full and your sound is enabled within your game as well, but you still don't hear any audio, then the only logical explanation is that your sound or speakers are not working. So that makes it a hardware issue. In that case, you will need to take your phone to the repair shop. Also try using any other application, such as YouTube, and see if you can hear any audio on other apps. If you can hear the sound in other applications, but not within this game, then long press on the Royal Match application and go into App Info. Tap on the Force Stop button to stop the application and then go into Storage Usage. Clear the cache from the Clear Cache button and now reopen the game. You can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the game once again. If the problem still persists, you can try contacting the app support. And there you have it. That is how you can fix and troubleshoot the sound not working issues on the Royal Match game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.